So we can import or extract, both are same only. We can extract the files from outside to inside the SaaS environment here. Okay, outside to inside the SaaS environment. That purpose will be used the which one? Proc import procedure. In our data step, we have discussed the in-file statement. So that is a data step only. But in proc step, we have separate procedure is there. That is called a proc import procedure. By using proc import procedure, we can import the text files, nothing but txt files. Next one is the Excel files. Next one is the access tables only. Access tables. We can import the text files, XLS files and access tables from outside to inside the SaaS environment. That purpose will be used the proc import procedure here. Here text files is otherwise also called as, already we have discussed, and these are the delimited files only. Okay, delimited files are nothing but space, comma, pipe, tab, any other delimiter. By using proc import procedure, by using in-file statement, we can import it here. First I will write a syntax for proc import procedure, then we'll discuss one by one. Proc import data file is equal, okay, proc import data file is equal to give your file path location, where your file is located. Also file name also, which file you are importing under that path location. This is a folder path actually. Which folder? Under that folder, what is your file name, dot extension. So extension is a txt. Everybody aware of all text files extension are txt, dot txt only. Next one is a out is a one statement here. What is the purpose of out means? By using data step, inside the data step, how to derive the new data set. So by using set statement, we can copy from one data set to another data set. Otherwise, by using set statement, we can create the new data set. Both are same only. That is in data step. How to create the new data set? By using set. What about in proc step? How to create the new data set in proc step? So by using out statement. Out is a one statement. By using out statement, so please mention your data set name only. Whatever data set name you have given, this data set it is created under work library. Our work library here, nothing but this is a data set name. I am importing this file from outside to inside and I am creating the data set only. Inside the SaaS environment, by using out statement, I am creating so and so data set name. Next one is a DBMS is equal to. So DBMS is a one more option. We have to use this option in proc import procedure. DBMS is equal to, give your option name. Here my option is a DLM. So DLM, why we are using DLM means, I said all text files otherwise also called as delimited files. Delimited files, when we are importing the text files by using proc import procedure, we have to use DBMS is equal to DLM only. DLM is a constant for text files. Okay, whatever text file, whether that is a space, comma, pipe, anything. Next one is a replace is a one option. I will explain why replace is required, then run it. So this is a syntax for proc import procedure. Yeah. Now I will follow one by one. So I want to import the file from outside to inside the SaaS environment by using proc import. Before I am explaining the import procedure, now see this is my folder path. Spooty one is a one text file. You can see here ID, age, salary, date of joining, and you can see start time also there, date of joining also there, start time also there. I want to import this file from outside to inside. This is a space delimiter file. Totally you can see the 3 rows, but out of 3 rows, first row you can see the column names only, column names. Now I want to import the Spooty one, which one? Text files from outside to inside the SaaS environment. So then select your file path location, Control C, open your editor window. Now data Spooty one only. Okay, in file give your file path location. Then anybody, any option is required or no need any option? Yeah, anything, anybody? So check it in my Spurti1 txt file. Okay, this is a Spurti1 only. Do we need to specify any option along with the infile statement or not required? Anyone? My voice is audible or not? Please. See my txt file. This is a txt file. I have given my path location. Extra, do we need to specify any other option extra here along with the infile like DLM, DSD, miss over, trunk over, flow over? Is there any option is required or not? Okay, so now I am using first OBS is equal to 2. Next one is the input, ID, age. So next one is a salary, date of joining. Then next one is a start time. So here informant and format is required. Date of joining, that is the date 9 time. Next one is a start time, that is the time entered here. So format also required because by default we can display the number of days and number of seconds only. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting this code, we can display the output. Prop data is equal Spurti1, then run it. So this is my data set. Now I am submitting this one. We can see the results in my output window. We have successfully imported by using infile statement. Now I want to do this by using proc import procedure. When I open my libraries, you can see the work library. Spurti1 data set is available. Now your proc import data file is equal. So I'm importing the same file from outside to inside the SaaS environment. Go to options, properties, security, and select your file path location. Control C. Next one is here. Give your file path location. Okay. Next one is out is equal to, as I said, Spurti1 is my txt file. I am creating a new data set. My data set name is your wish. Whatever data set if you want, you can create it. My new data set name is I am creating the stances. Okay. Now here Spurti1 is a text file. I am converting this text file to stances data set only. Out is equal to this stances data set. It creates under work library now. DBMS is equal to, as I said, DLM is required. Next one is run it. So what is our out data set name only? Which data set I am creating? Out is equal to stances. I want to print this data set. From print data is equal stances only. Then run it only. Because I am creating the new data set by using out statement. Out is equal to stances. Now I am submitting this one. When I submitting this one, we can see the results in my output window. Okay, see this here. Now you can see this. So here we have printed or not here. You can see the results and let me know. Both are same and different now. I mean by using infile statement I have imported, by using proc import procedure also I have imported only. Now here both are same and different. Anybody? This is the first one. This is the second one only. Okay, one is a proc import, other one is a infile statement. We have printed each and every column value in my output window. There is no missing value. Results wise both are same only. If I open my Spurti1 data set, see this ID, age, salary, date of joining, commission. Stances also you can open. ID, age, salary, date of joining, start time. We have printed infile statement data set values and proc import data set values. Both are same only. There is no difference here. Now, anybody, any doubt here? Let me know before I am explaining the next part, please. So anybody just let me know what is the difference between in the first scenario, what is the difference between infile and import? Anyone? In my first example, just compare it to both examples. What is the difference between infile and import? I am asking. Only one difference at least. Anybody?